Hey, what's up guys, it's Brina here, back again with another video. And today it's story time. So here... Today is the 100 sub special, and for every 10 subs out of that, I'll be eating a chili. Let's go.
Tell us about the taste. Okay, that's one. Here's two. Oh my god, his face has gone as red as the chili.
That's two.
Keep going. Here lads, will someone go fill this up? No? Okay.
Number 3.
Jesus. John, what kind of chilies are they?
They're bird eye. Yes. So that was my sub special. Thank you for the 100 subs. If you want more challenges, request them please. But not any more of these because fuck that. And as always, obey the mango.
Yeah. So, I'd just like to say thank you so much for those 100 subs plus. Can't believe we got this far. It's 109 last time I checked. Who knows what it's on now. If it's any higher, I'll be so happy. Like, I'm even thankful I got 100. We've gone so fast. Only started about 3 weeks ago. Well, I did start before, but that wasn't really working. I decided to go back now, and look at us, 3 weeks in. But anyway, I hope you liked the challenge. Yes, I only did 3, but otherwise I knew I'd probably die if I did it otherwise anymore. Because trust me, hope you enjoyed my pain, because I say it was funny to watch. But anyways, I'm working on more videos on challenges, more gym stuff, because apparently there's something got to do with the angles, I don't know. But anyway, and then hopefully also I've got some collab videos going possibly, because I need people to work with me on some of these. And also, once again, thank you for the 100. And sorry for not doing the full 10. I would have loved to, but trust me, bird eye chilies are just not worth it. Trust me. Anyway, as always, I'll see you and obey the mango. Goodbye, and we'll see you next time.